this is us. And there she is.
Here I am. All right, we chose an interior room on deck 9, which is Lido deck. I love deck 9 on Lido because we are on the same deck as the buffet, Guy's Burger, Blue Iguana, the main pool. It's pretty convenient. Anyway, we booked this about a month ago. It was kind of a last minute birthday cruise for me that it was a surprise for my husband. I'm his travel agent, so it really wasn't a big surprise. But we thought, we don't need to spend a whole lot of money because it's just a little 4-day cruise getaway. So we just did an interior room. This is what we have. So it's a king bed. This can be 2 twins or a king, depending who you're traveling with. On either side of the bed is a little nook with a little cabinet space, counter space. It's not a whole lot of room, but I mean, swimsuits or something simple put in there. The Valor's an older ship, so I think they've done some upgrades because I love this on both sides. They have a lamp with 2 USB ports. I can't remember the last ship I got on where I could plug my phone in by my bed when I went to bed at night, so I really like that. Like I said, it's on both sides. And over to the desk area. Another reason I like the USBs, there is no USB ports over here whatsoever. You've got one 220 and one 110, and that's it. Nothing more. So I'm happy about these USBs over by the bed. All right, let's see what we've got over here. You got some waters. These are not included, they're not free. They're $3.95 each. Don't drink those unless you're okay with them charging you. All right, down here we've got some drawers. This is just your hair dryer. I use it all the time. I don't bring another hair dryer. Just takes up room in my luggage. This one's fine. Another pretty small one. Not a whole lot will fit in there. Then you got 2 more that are deeper. A whole little bit of stuff. Come up. Got your TV, it's small, but we like when we to unwind a little bit when we get in at night, right before we go to bed, we turn it on just as a little background noise. They do have information about the ship, what's going on. You can check your charges on your cell and sign card from the TV, and there's a few stations on there to watch. All right, moving over here. Little oval table. It's movable. You can move it anywhere you need to, or it's just out of the way right now. So, I like that this has some counter space for anything we need to stack up here, our sunscreen or whatever. There's not a lot of counter space in the room. This is a little mini fridge. Opens on this side. Not very big, but it'll hold some drinks, some sodas, water, whatever you need. Closet space. We got a nice amount. So we've got 2 shelves, and then there's a little bar here. This bar I found when we first opened this is removable, and there's a 3rd shelf. If you'd rather have 3 shelves, you drop that down, pull this bar out, and you have 3 shelves. That's kind of convenient. I like that. Because you have plenty of hanger space here, and then some bigger hanger space for her. Got a little cubby up there, and a little cubby down there. I wouldn't put much in there because if it got pushed back too far, especially if it's up there or down there, I'm too short, I can't see it. I'll probably leave it, so I wouldn't do that. Last but not least, I guess, is the bathroom. All right, it's your hospital blue. Pretty nice size shower and a shower curtain. I don't mind this. I mean, I can do my elbows pretty good. I mean, even closed, halfway closed up, I'm still pretty good shape. Got your hanging line. You need to hang up your wet stuff. Got your shower gel, your shampoo. This is a big deal to me. I don't know how. It only has shampoo. I have to have conditioner. So I always bring a little bottle in my stuff of conditioner because my hair is pretty frizzy and tangled. So I always make sure I have conditioner. Toilet. See, and then I like, here's your sink. You got pretty good counter space. And on either side, you've got 3 shelves, one long one at the bottom, and then 2 little smaller as you go up on both sides. So 2 people in a room, but they both have all the room they need. I usually have a hanging toiletry bag, hang it right here and just leave it there with all my toiletries, and it's pretty convenient. So I think that's pretty much wraps it up. That's it. Hope you enjoyed my tour.